How to change FaceApp interface to dark mode. Want to give your FaceApp experience a slick new look? Let me show you how to switch FaceApp to dark mode. First, launch the FaceApp on your device. Now tap the profile icon or the gear icon usually located in the top left corner of the home screen to open the settings menu. Tap on it. Now scroll down until you see appearance. Here you can see it. Tap on appearance. Okay, here you can see light and dark and system default. Simply tap on dark to change it to dark mode like this. The app will instantly switch to the dark interface, reducing the eye strain and saving battery. Now if you prefer, you can set the FaceApp to follow your device system theme, so it switches automatically between light and dark modes based on your phone settings. But for now, let us just keep to dark and go back and continue your editing. And that's how you enable dark mode in FaceApp. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tips and comment below. Are you a fan of dark mode or light mode? Thank you for watching.